Imagine a person who tries to trick you by selling your favorite brand's shoes and clothes for a quarter of their real value, or somebody trying to sell you the car of your dreams for less than half its value. Wouldn't you suspect that you are being cheated on something? So why not be suspicious when a painter offers to paint your property for half the price of a professional painter? Don't be fooled. The costs of professional painting include the cost of quality materials that provide durability, protection against mold and other agents dangerous to health, good coverage, and excellent finishes, in addition to the guarantee of labor and materials for at least 5 years. Low bowlers painters use low-quality paints that do not provide any of the above, in addition to lasting much less time. But try calling that cheap painter to repair certain defects that appear after a short time. You can now sit and wait for him to answer the phone. Remember the saying, you get what you pay. Get good quality work, with quality materials at a reasonable price. Ask to us without obligation. We are Farmer Brothers Paintworks, professional licensed and bonded contractors.